Kwa the od bura nyakoromoga juang Jatend migao Arita Kithure Kindiki emombedo Jatend migao mokwongo chopo nyim od bura mamalo kendo duoko penjo motenore kod migao mare matimore bang' higni moinga 10 nyaka jotend migepe we chopo nyim od bura e yo makamane pachoka. Jatend migao notiyo gi thuolono e duoko penjo ewi weche mamenya arita ma pachoka. Jod burago ne dwaro ng'eyo midhiero mar monj ma motimo limitedi kendo manyaka kawuono jonjore mag kuo jamni ne pod monjo kendo nego ng'ato e gwenge ma Baringo.
We have been able to actually remove and dominate those areas and remove the threats that used to exist in those areas. But the spiral, what has happened is that during that window of notice we had given to be able to ensure that we don't have civilian casualties, some of these criminals could have mixed with the population. And because the security forces cannot be everywhere and guard every homestead, they are making sporadic raids, sometimes successful. So, Mr. Speaker, the challenge is still there. We do not want to deny that the challenge does not exist. And Mr. Speaker, this challenge has not started this year, last year, 5 years, 10 years. This is a problem that started as early as 1977 in some parts of these areas. We appeal for patience, we appeal for understanding, and we know that we will get around it as soon as we continue this domination of these areas where the bandits retreat when they steal livestock.